Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a logo for your gaming channel in just 5 minutes. So let's start. At first I will visit canva.com and then I will click on create a design and logo, and then I will search for timer in Google and start the timer. Now I'll go on the logo page and then I'll click on elements. Now I'll type gaming on it. Now I'll search for gaming element. Let me see which one I like. See, there are many cool elements or logos you can choose. I like this one. I'll flip it, resize it. Now I'll click on text, click on the default text, and now I will type my text, that is my gaming name or my channel's name. Now I'll change the font size. Sorry, still showing. Okay, I think I have to change the font size again. Sorry. Yeah, now it's perfect. Now I'll reposition it. Now I will change the color of the font to this brown color. Now I will change the color of this logo also. I will change it to red. Now it's look good. So it is very easy to create a logo on Canva. You can create your own in just few minutes. So my logo is done. Now I'll download it. So that's it. My logo is done. Okay, thank you guys for seeing the video. Hope you like it. Bye.